Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and this time it's going to be about UK scholarships for international students. What you need to do is just follow the instructions that I'll be giving in this video, and that's it. So let's start. First of all, open Google, type Study UK British Council, click on this link. This is the British Council website where you can find scholarships and funding for international students. Now you see the hamburger menu, the 3 lines on top, click on that. And now select scholarships and funding. So this is the page where you can search for the right scholarship for you. There are part funding as well as full funding scholarships. So what you need to do is click on the scholarships here. Then select level of study. I'm going to select master's program. Select subject. I've selected business and administrative studies. Then select your nationality, let's say Indian. Then simply click on search button. There you go. Here's the list of all the universities. You can see the level of scholarship is also mentioned under each university. So this is how you can find scholarships of your interest. Please follow for more such updates. Tada, bye-bye.